When opening the Thinkware Dashcam Link app, you'll see a message saying No Connected Dashcam Detected. To start the connection, we'll click on Connect to Dashcam. On this screen, we'll have instructions directing us to first press the Wi-Fi button on the dashcam.
On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network that may start with Thinkware.
After this message indicating that the Wi-Fi is enabled, we'll click on the arrow at the top right corner. On this page, we'll click at the Wi-Fi icon at the top right corner to open the Wi-Fi settings. In the Wi-Fi settings, connect with the Thinkware network. You may see connected without internet, and that's okay, as the Thinkware Wi-Fi doesn't provide any internet connection, but just pairs your phone with the dashcam. Once we are connected, click on the back arrow to go back to the app, and you'll hear Connected to a smartphone.
Connected to a smartphone.
Once that's done, you have successfully connected to the app. The Thinkware Dashcam Link app is very simple to use. At the very top, you'll see the Wi-Fi symbol at the top left corner. This will take you to the Wi-Fi settings where you can change the default password. Click on Disconnect at the top right corner to disconnect from the app. At the center, we have three buttons. Live View. Click on the Live View button to see a live view of the front and rear cam. Below that, click on Dashcam Settings to change settings regarding memory card, record settings, road safety, and system settings. Beside that, click on Dashcam Info to get information such as the firmware version of the dashcam, app version, GPS info, among other information. Lastly, at the very bottom, click on the Play button to take you to the file list. In the file list, you'll have all videos saved with the date and time it was recorded. The videos can be filtered by record mode, such as continuous or parking, or continuous instant and parking instant. The videos can also be filtered by front cam only, rear cam only, or all videos. Lastly, you can also filter the videos by date, where all videos recorded in the same day will be in the same folder.